What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to link someone to your Snapchat profile. Now there's actually quite a number of ways to do this. The one I'm going to show you is just the link itself that somebody could just click on. But you could also just grab the QR code or just take a photo of it and send the link to whoever you want. But once you're at this screen right here, you're just going to hit the button in the upper right hand corner. It's right next to the gear button. And then once you get to here, you should see a button that you could share. It's the first one at the toolbar once you're scrolling through. And then once you do that, the link should be copied to your clipboard, and you could copy and paste this wherever you'd like. Like I said, here you could also just grab your snap code if you'd like and send this to people, and people could just add you from there. But I personally like just sending the link. So like I said, you should be good to go. I'm just going to test it out real quick just to show you how it appears in chat. It's pretty silky smooth. You could just type it in there. The link itself is kind of long, but it shortens up in the Snapchat app itself. And that's what people will see, just your username on Snapchat, and they could just click that and add you from there. If you found this tutorial confusing or you had any questions at all, don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and also read the description, because there's some very important information that you wouldn't want to miss.